In this video, we're going to focus on case number 21 for the SSS Maternity Benefit Calculator or the Matben calculator. And let's look at this case here. We have the expected due date of February 18, 2026, and the delivery type will be normal. And the status is employed, special cases, none at all. And then the contribution history will be paid from January all the way to June with a monthly salary credit of 12,000 pesos. So let's look at what is her semester of contingency qualifying period and how much SSS maternity benefits she will receive. To do that, we go to the website here, SSS Maternity Benefits Calculator. Once you're on here, click on this one for the expected due date, and we know the expected due date is February 2026. Let's show that. There we are. And you can see here all the information that we need. Next, for special cases, is it a solo parent? No. In that case, we have 105 days of that will be granted. And now what we want to do is put in the amount. And the amount is 12,000 pesos, but only from January all the way to June. So let's put in these things here. And then we can put for the other dates, 0, 0, 0. And then here, 12,000 all the way to June. There we are. And then we just put this on 0, 0, 0. And once we did this, we can now, we see here the information. Let's click on this and it will calculate and change everything. And as you can see here, in this case, there will be a SSS maternity benefits of 42,000 pesos. So if you have a question or you want to know your situation, you can put it in the comment section below and I'll make sure to follow up.